Pacquiao is not just a boxer, a Philippine lawmaker, a singer, an actor, a show host in the Philippines. He is also an interviewer. Watch this. Pound king of the ring Manny Pacquiao and his storied rival Juan Manuel Marquez are two fighters looking to settle an old score once and for all.
Napakahalaga itong fight na to dahil ito ang kasagutan sa lahat ng mga haka-haka and doubts on his mind, sa isipan niya at sa isipan ng mga ibang mga fans. Kaya napaka-importante, kaya kailangan natin mag-training na mabuti para sumaya ulit ang ating mga kababayan at makapagdala tayo ng karangalan sa ating bansa.
In 2004, Pacquiao and Marquez fought 12 grueling rounds that led to a controversial draw. A heated rematch in 2008 resulted in a split decision victory for Pacquiao. Since then, the stories, the questions, and doubts have built up its intensity, and come November 12, Pacquiao and Marquez will battle it out in the MGM Grand in Las Vegas for the WBO welterweight title.
This fight is very important for me and for my career because a lot of people watched the last two fights. A lot of people said you won. A lot of people said you lost. But I want to demonstrate who's better.
Pacquiao's world-class trainer Freddie Roach looks forward to the challenge.
They've had 24 rounds between them. 1 round separates them. This is a classic fight. This is a fight that I've wanted for a long time. This is the one that I think I have a challenge against, Nacho. He's a great trainer, and I have a great student in Manny Pacquiao, and we're going to be at our best for this one.
Marquez will be trained by Boxing Hall of Famer Ignacio Nacho Beristain.
In the morning, one person told him that the first two fights between Manny and Juan, they were going to be forgot, and he says no, they will never be going to be forget because they were classic fights, and now the third one, I'm sure that it's going to be the best of the three, and I'm sure that it's going to be a classic too, and I am very happy to be involved in this type of fight. Juan Manuel is going to be at his best.
And in spite of the criticism for his age, 38-year-old Marquez remains confident in his improved skills and strategy as one of the best counter-punchers in the game. He is ready to give it his all to finally end all claims about who the best fighter really is.
And I will look for the knockout because I don't want the judges give the decision because the last two fights everybody wants to happen.
He even divulged his plans to knock out 32-year-old Pacquiao in an interview with a Pac-Man himself.
Marquez, what is your special preparation for this upcoming fight on November 12th?
Yeah, I need preparation. The special preparation for me, that's strength, my speed, because this fight is a different weight.
Okay. Do you have any strategy that you can use in the fight?
I use my speed. I use my strength. Usually, my opponent is very speed, is very quickly, and I need to use speed too.
Like Marquez, Pacquiao craves to make a statement to silence all debates and doubts. He is expecting a tough battle ahead of him and is focused on coming out as a clear, undisputed victor.
Si Marquez ay one of the best counterpuncher in boxing, pero alam natin na ganyan ang style niya, so kailangan natin mag-create. Kaya ko mag-create ng isang strategy na pwede nating magamit sa laban. Sa tingin ko, since our last two fights, malaki ang pinagbago. Naka-develop ako ng iba't ibang strategy for my style. Siguro napakalaking pagkaiba ito. For this training, I need to train hard and focus to the fight, and no distraction for this training camp. Sa tingin ko mas madali na hindi kami magkakapaan sa bawat isa dahil alam na namin ang isa't isa namin, alam namin ang style namin.
Amidst the talk of the upcoming fight, the boxing congressman of Sarangani province also addressed his consideration for retirement in the year 2013 to run for executive office in the Philippines.
So malapit na rin yun at i-announce ko naman sa lahat pag mag-decide na ako na mag-retiro, but right now I have to focus on my upcoming fight on November against Marquez, and siguro kailangan ko lang is yung dasal and suporta ng mga kababayan natin Pilipino. To all the fans, thank you to all your support, and I hope you're gonna watch on on November 12th. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of action in the ring. It's gonna be a good fight. So don't miss it.
All right, we're lining up a series of specials for you concerning Manny Pacquiao and leading up to this fight on November 12th against Juan Manuel Marquez. Abangan niyo po yan sa mga susunod na araw dito sa Kababayan LA. Para sa ngayon, ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Magandang gabi po at kita-kita ulit bukas.